Hey everyone, Karan here. Let me show you the new Cosmos features we've shipped based on your feedback. First up, experience improvements. Firstly, you've seen the call space switch. This has been there for a while. Now, in the call switch, you'll notice that the toolbar at the bottom has been improved. It looks and feels like a toolbar in any video call you'd see anywhere. So you don't really need to teach people how to use it because every button has a label, so no more guessing. Then, second up, in the space, movement in the space always need to be taught. Now, you'd notice that as I navigate my cursor, you'd notice there is a slight faded out avatar which shows up. I click and I move there. And then you'd notice that as I hover over people, I see their profile cards show up with actions, and the same happens with rooms. You see, this is my own room. I'm just going to go there. So this is really powerful, just making Cosmos easy to use so that you don't really have to teach people how to use Cosmos. Second up, keyboard power. Cosmos was always built like a supercar, but in our experience, it never run like a supercar. So we are fixing that and changing that. So first up, with the /, you can see a list of keyboard shortcuts. This is shortcuts for everything you can do in Cosmos. If we've missed something, please let us know and we'll add it in. Then second up, you can't remember all these shortcuts, so we've added action tab. You can toggle it by Command K or by pressing the action button in the toolbar. And over here, anything you want to do, you just say, look for your teammate. You want to go DM them. Hello, Guri. The video has started. Wish me luck. There you go. If you want to, go to a colleague, again do the same thing. You can press talk now. Similarly, so I'm now coming and talking to Guri. Second up, I want to tell you about personal rooms, and I'll press this button, go home. You notice what it does? It takes me back to my room. So effectively, in Cosmos, all rooms can be claimed. So I can be in a cabin like this, and basically press this drop down and say set as home. The moment I do so, you'd see the name changes and it becomes my cabin. Then wherever I am in Cosmos, I press this button, go to home. It takes me to home. Voila. So after the meetings, you don't have to press 5 buttons to go back to your room. You just press 1 button and you get back to your room. Then, if you have someone in your room and you want to kick them out, you'll also have an option to send them to another meeting room. You can experience it with the drop down here. Then the next piece is focus rooms, which for us has been something which people have been wanting. So they are game changing for deep work. You know how that works? So let me first go to this room and actually convert this into a focus room. So I go to the room, go to details, and then change to a focus room and call it a focus room. Save this. Now, the moment I do so, this converts into a focus room. And what we do is we ask you that what you're getting done. I say product update. And how long it's going to take? 30 minutes. You'd notice that we've set up our objectives and the mics have been disabled, and this room operates and functions like a library. Silent co-working, where you are sharing your goal, being accountable but not distracted. Perfect for study groups and silent co-working. The 4 things we have shipped, and please claim your personal room, try the actions, try the shortcuts, try focus rooms, and let us know what you think.